Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, September 27, 2023. Let's find out what's going on the Forex calendar today. The monetary policy meeting minutes from the Bank of Japan last meeting has been released overnight. At 8 o'clock, German consumer climate had been released as well, and as you can see, the consumer climate deteriorates even further from minus 25.6 to minus 26.5, which beats the expectations of minus 26. Not good consumer climate in the euro. In the German euro-related country. European Central Bank non-monetary policy meeting is scheduled at 9 o'clock, started 10 minutes ago. 10-year bond action from the Germany is scheduled for this at 11:30, and then we have the speech at 4 o'clock. Sorry, at 2 o'clock. ECB Enria will give a speech today. Cold durable good orders is one of the key events of today. This event is scheduled for release at 2:30, and the market participants expect a drop in cold durable goods orders from 0.5% to 0.1%. The other very important event of today is the crude oil inventories, scheduled for this at 4:30. And then we got data from the Swiss National Bank Chairman Thomas Jordan will give a speech at 6:45 p.m. So, as you can see, kind of an interesting day today. Let's find out what's going on the Forex pair. We are going to start with the euro dollar, of course. For our chart of the euro dollar has hit the level of 1.0557, and this level might be considered as the target for the head and shoulders pattern. So right now this level is roughly around the 6 pips away from the 1.0550, which is the perfect ideal target for the head and shoulders pattern. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me just quickly present it for you. So what I need is like a head and shoulders pattern, which is here, and this is what we've been thinking about. Again, this is the left shoulder. We've been following this for many days. This pattern is not that obvious because it's a little bit skewed. Nevertheless, there you go. This is the target, and the target had been hit. How did we manage to find this target, you can ask? Okay, let me just show you guys. When you take the top of the head with the neckline breakout, so this is your rectangle, your range, and you place this again here, somewhere here. So now you can have the horizontal line. And you can see we are almost there. There you go. You can see we can clearly say that the target was hit. So happy face here. Let me just find the happy face for our target. Very nice target hit. Happy face for happy smiley face for all of the traders who did manage to trade the head and shoulders breakout. And as you can see, maybe there's some icon with the money. Let me just, there you go. There's the funny one with dollars. No, it's a euro. Is the euro? No, there's a pound. I need the one with the euro. Let's say I want the one with the euro. Euro is this one. Another successful analysis of the euro dollar. Let me just write down some explanation because some people might not know what we are talking about. Let me just say price note around, let's say here, and okay, so I wanted to add some text like a target hit or something like this. Okay, this is not what I'm apparently looking for. Maybe here there will be some some text I can add. Not really. Okay, doesn't matter anyway. So this is how it looks like on the euro dollar. Oh, I don't need this one anymore. And let me just grab a very quick screenshot. There you go, it's done. Target hit, everything looks fine. Next target, of course, is the lows from the March 15, located at 1.0520. 3. So because there are some data from the US, let's find out what's going on with the S&P 500. So this is daily time frame chart of the S&P 500, and we just made another low. We just made another low at the level of 4,263. So as you can see, this movement to the downside is right now continuing, despite the fact that we have extremely oversold market conditions on a 4-hour chart. So this level here, 4,336, is now technical resistance, and obviously this level here is the technical resistance as well. So we got the zone of the technical resistance. Let me just show you guys this situation. Let's find out whether there is some kind of a Fibonacci relationship here. We will take the trend-based Fibonacci measurement, and from that high, as you can see, the one-to-one movement to the downside is located just here. So perfect one-to-one relationship here. Let me just find out if I have one to show you. I need A B C D pattern. A B is C D, so maybe this is A B C and D. There you go. So we got this pattern covered. The length of the AB is equal to the CD, okay, 100%. So very interesting level right now. The low that was made here, anything on the left? Nothing really. So right now, as you can see, this market is highly technical market on the S&P 500. We should expect some kind of a bounce towards the supply zone, basically, right, located between these two levels. Please notice that our moving average, 50 periods moving average, is roughly around this, in the middle of this zone as well. So very interesting situation here on the S&P 500. We got some data related to the crude oil, so let's find out what is crude oil doing here. For our chart of the crude oil is showing us first off, we got some movement to the downside. So how many percent, how much did it move to the downside? Where is my price range? There you go, this is my price range. So we got this movement here, that's the low. No, oh, roughly is, there you go, minus 5.91% we've done. Okay, so that was the pullback. It's definitely smaller than this one. Okay, so this pullback is a part of the overall let's say uptrend. Let's just zoom in here to see what is going on. So it's obvious right now that we are with this kind of a momentum, we will continue to move higher. So target 93.76. This is the next target for the swing high. So the next target is 91.99. Okay, where is the support? Well, the support is being provided by these two very nice levels, 88.37, and we got one more, 88.19. So right now we are moving higher. New highs are expected on the crude oil. We broke, let me just, there you go, 1 2 3 tests here, valid trend line violated on a strong momentum, positive momentum. New highs are coming to the crude oil market soon after minus 5.91% correction was made, basically. So it looks like another movement to the upside. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Bitcoin. What is the Bitcoin doing? The first off, we are going to take a look at the Fibonacci retracement, so we can say straight on what is going on here. So this is the local high, this is the local low. How much did we retrace? Well, we retraced over 50% and almost 61. So let me just show you guys where is the 61%. The 61% of the Fibonacci retracement is located here, black line. Okay, so we don't need this one anymore. Okay, let me just leave it here. Let's just zoom in to see what is going on. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There you go. So Right now, the technical resistance is located at this level here, which is 27,491, and the technical support is of course located, let me just zoom it out, is located here at the level of 24,927, right? So this is the support. Anything that is in between is just noise. Basically, there's just the bulls and bears doing their things, trading, moving up and down, moving you know, towards the technical support, technical resistance. You want to pay attention to the situation with the trend line. Okay, why? Let me just tell you why. This is the first touch. Okay, that's the first touch. Let me just copy this. There's the second one, almost immediate. Okay, there is another one just here. That's the third one already. Okay, so it's an important trend line because the market recognized this trend line. Okay, so what it means that any violation above this trend line will be considered bullish, because the market sees this trend line and the market wants to move higher above this level. So right now, intraday technical resistance and intraday technical supports are located at support 26,000, resistance 26,337. So as you can see, this gap is very, very small. The market continues here. The momentum is still negative, but it's rising from the extremely oversold market conditions. Any violation above the level of 50 would likely correspond to big spike to the downside. If there is, however, a rejection of the trend line again, so that will be the fourth touch of this trend line, the outlook is very, very negative. We will, in that situation, Bitcoin would likely break below the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement, big horizontal black line, and then go lower towards the swing low from the September 11th. All right, so this is the situation for the Bitcoin. Very interesting situation. So please keep an eye on this situation as well, because it might be pivotal for the Bitcoin in the short term. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.